Our innovation is tropicalized sugar beet. We have tropicalized sugar beet for the last 15 years to grow in the tropical climate as opposed to growing in the temperate climates of Europe. We have a variety now that is giving us very high yields. We are performing 200 tons of sugar beet, whole sugar beet in 6 months at a sugar content of 18%. That can, if we were making sugar, would produce 37 tons of sugar per acre in 6 months, compared to 9 tons of sugar per hectare in 24 months of sugar cane. Now, at the moment, we want to convert that to animal feed because we are addressing a shortage of animal feed in Kenya, climate change shocks, and the very high cost of animal feed because of competition between animals and humans for maize-based feed. So we are converting the sugar beet into sugar beet feed pellets that are more nutritious than commercial feeds at almost 50% the cost. They increase the productivity of dairy farmers by about 50%. That converts to more money in their pockets. And most of the livestock farmers in Kenya are basically women. And when we put money in women's pockets, they support their whole households. That achieves our goals of gender equality, sustainable development goals. We minimize on extreme poverty. We create sustainable revenue streams for the base of the pyramid.